Let's dive into the word 入院, a term you're likely to hear when discussing medical situations or when someone needs medical attention. The word 入院 means hospitalization. It describes the action of admitting someone into a hospital to receive treatment or care. It's often used when someone needs to stay in a hospital for an extended period due to an illness or medical procedure. The first kanji means to enter or to put something into something. In words like iriguchi, it gives the idea of going into a place, an entrance. In words like nyugaku, it expresses joining or entering an institution, like starting school. The second kanji means an institution or place, such as an academy or hospital. In words like byoin, it names a medical institution, a hospital. In words like daigakuin, it marks a scholarly institution, the graduate school attached to a university. My mother was admitted to the hospital. 母は病院に入院しました。母は病院に入院しました。In hospital. 入院中です。入院中です。He is making a hospitalization plan. 彼は入院計画を立てています。彼は入院計画を立てています。I was admitted to the hospital yesterday. 私は昨日入院しました。私は昨日入院しました。The most common synonym of the word 入院 is 入所. While 入院 specifically refers to entering a hospital, 入所 is a broader term used for entering facilities like nursing homes or facilities for long-term care, which are not exclusively medical. The most common antonym of the word 入院 is 退院. While 入院 refers to being admitted to a hospital, 退院 means leaving or being discharged from a hospital after treatment is complete.